有人。What？ 有人。
Alika bolsa başı. Gözleri woman down.
Did you step on it?
I don't think so. Maybe I did. I'm sorry. Okay.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Dobby, blue, blue.
Is this normal? Look at this. Is this normal? No way. What is she doing? I never know what she's doing in there. I never know. Look at those teeth.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
This is my hair wet a little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when it's wet.
Whoa.
Oh my god! Oh, Mom! That's what I thought.
Everybody thinks that she's so big. Guys, she's the tiniest thing. She is the tiniest thing. Watch. Let me get this water bottle right here. This is her next door water bottle. Look at her. Look how tiny she is. Hi, Moshe.
You must choose, Mr. Bond. Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Come on, dude.
Oh.
So I got two dogs, right? This my girl Bella. She ain't got a uterus, but she still be fucking, right? Then this my boy dog Boomer, right? He blind, he ain't got no balls, but he still be fucking, right? Let me know how I go on vacation for 10 days, right? And I see this bitch. I damn know well he ain't the dad. First of all, how the fuck is that biologically possible? Where did you come from? Like, I swear, there has to be another dog somewhere. Who the fuck is that?
I have very important questions to ask each of you. Would you like a treat? Would you like a treat?